Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with CVS Health. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by researching CVS Health and understanding its business model. Look into the company's current financial performance and recent news. Visit financial news websites to get updated stock prices and analysis. Create a brokerage account if you don't have one already. Choose a reputable brokerage platform that allows investment in CVS Health stock. Fund your brokerage account by linking it to your bank account. Navigate to the trading platform and search for CVS Health using its ticker symbol, CVS. Review the stock's current price and recent performance charts. Decide how many shares you wish to purchase based on your budget and investment strategy. Place a market order to buy shares at the current price, or a limit order for a specific price. Confirm the details of your order before finalizing the transaction. After purchasing, monitor your investment regularly. Keep an eye on CVS Health's quarterly earnings reports and industry trends. Consider setting price alerts to stay informed about significant price changes. Evaluate your investment strategy periodically and adjust as necessary. Stay engaged with CVS Health's developments, including new products and acquisitions. Decide when to sell based on your financial goals and market conditions. Consult with a financial advisor if needed for personalized advice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.